Hi there. Just wanted to remind you, nice people that have an air fryer, if you like your twice stuffed potatoes and the skins to be crispy, you got to do this. Okay, so I sprayed them with avocado oil. These were tiny potatoes, that's why they look all ratty. And then for the filling, just cheese, butter, and a little bit of sour cream. Mix it up. And then look how crispy the bottoms are with these. And then I'm going to stuff them again. They're not pretty, but oh well, just dinner for two out back. So stuff them high and then put them back in the air fryer. We had some of those little corn riblets. I just put some hot paprika, flake salt, and whatnot. Get a couple big burgers. I stuffed them with onion. Just put a couple of those on the grill. And what do you know? The twice stuffed potatoes in the air fryer is what it's all about. Pepper jack cheese on my husband's and American on mine. And just a nice little time sitting outside having our little tiny picnic with leftover coleslaw and a couple little cold iced teas. And you got it. Enjoy.